Hi! In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off simple mode on this Realme. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on special features. Following that, choose simple mode and tap on Enter Simple Mode. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, tap on Settings again, but this time select Exit Simple Mode at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!